It's it's fantastic. All the fifth gen diehard fans are hating on it. It doesn't have a V8, doesn't have a V6. I'll tell you,
Hmm.
the four-cylinder turbo engine, phenomenal. Uh, really smooth, actually picks up on the on-ramp. Um,
Nice.
no, I
Good
love that
good
car.
gas mileage.
Significantly better.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
And you just reminded me, I had a '03. I had some crazy, you know, here we go about just impulsive decision. I went and I think I had a Mercedes ML 320, which I bought
Mm.
used, which was kind of a junker. And then I'm like, I'm gonna go buy. I got some raise or bonus at work, so I go and buy a '03 Toyota 4Runner. And
Mm.
then shortly thereafter, I had to start driving to Virginia, and that thing got it was a six-cylinder with a four-speed automatic. That thing got the worst gas mileage. I ended up selling it, and I just bought a used 1998 Honda Accord, which was a fantastic car. And after that, my whole family, including my parents, were American car people, they all started buying Hondas. So it's funny how it catches on, but I mean, you can't go wrong with the Toyota, and it's funny because people want to take the older Toyotas, including Land Cruisers, and put a big lift on them. And I was talking to a friend of mine, and I'm like, "Hey, why don't you buy the Lexus version?" He's like, "Well, the funny part is the Lexus version is actually worth less because people want the Forerunners, they want the Land Cruisers." So
Yeah,
I'm sure you've run into some of that.
yeah, it's a mafia of sorts for sure.
Yeah, that's
That badge
funny.
is desirable to a lot more people than the Lexus.
Yeah.
You know, that's one of those things where, well, even our mutual friend and previous guest Megan has the old school Forerunner, and she loves that thing too.
Yeah, it was a '83, something like that.
Land Cruiser, and not a Forerunner, it's a Land Cruiser.
Yeah,
But yeah,
Toyota Land Cruiser
yeah,
FJ60.
yeah.
Yep, yep.
So and it's one of those things that they, if you treat them right, they take care of you forever.
That
But yeah, that's awesome. I'm glad you have a good, reliable car to get you back and forth to school. Um, so Mr. Rushin, what are you driving now?
So funny, I'm driving a Lexus right now.
Yeah,
So I have a Lexus ES
Toyota
hybrid.
Lexus.
yeah. No
Yeah,
disrespect to the
Yep,
Lexus. I'm
no
just
right.
saying.
disrespect. Yeah. Yeah, it's a Lexus ES hybrid. It gives me 45 miles per gallon. It's a great commute car, and
Hmm.
Can't argue with that. Can't
it's a
argue with that.
and it's a hybrid, so it just picks up like any sports car. So I love it, and I hope it lasts me my lifetime. So
Hmm.
yeah.
Well, this has been a great story. I know we're kind of running low on
But
time because
but we do want to have them back to talk about Alpha.
yeah,
If
absolutely.
would you guys like to come back, and whether there's a book or not, right? I'm hoping Dave will check out the book, and if there's a next book, let us know about Alpha. By the way, what it's an '83 Alpha. What model?
it's the Spider, the
Oh,
Oh,
classic
I was
little
hoping it would be the Spider.
little
Awesome.
red convertible from the Graduate and all.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah, yeah. And you took it on a long road trip. So with a British car on a long road trip, that had to be interesting.
that one was something.
Yeah.
We'll save that story for when we're back.
yeah,
Don't
because
give it
I
away yet.
I have some questions too, because if you're a fan of Top Gear, you know that the original three, they love the Alfa Romeo look, but they
Yes.
don't speak highly of the reliability. So we're gonna save that for next time too.